Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start the new topic, environmental social governance management system. So out of our 125 ESG topic discussion, we have the subject environmental social governance management system. In this management system, we have a structured approach to integrate ESG criteria into organizational operation, decision making process and the organizational culture. Here, how we can develop an ESG management system. So there are certain components, certain factors we need to consider, starting from commitment and leadership. So securing commitment and support from senior leadership. Why? To prioritize ESG considerations and allocating the resources for development and implementation of ESG management system. Next is we need to establish the governance structure. We define the clear governance structure, role, responsibilities for overseeing ESG strategy, implementation, monitoring progress and ensuring the accountabilities. The next is policy development, ESG policy, comprehensive ESG policies we need to develop which will outline the organizational commitment to ESG principles, the ESG principles, the objectives and the strategies, and we ensure the alignment with relevant laws, regulations and industry standards. In the risk management concept, in the risk management component, in the risk management step, what we say, identify, assess and mitigate ESG related risks that could impact the organizational reputation, financial performance and stakeholder relationships. And we integrate ESG consideration into overall enterprise risk management frameworks as well. The next is performance measurement and reporting. We define key performance indicators, the KPIs, matrices to track the progress. We establish mechanism for collecting, analyzing and reporting ESG data. In the next, integration with the business processes, we talk about integrating ESG consideration into organizational business process, decision making frameworks and performance management system. In the training and awareness section, we talk about providing training and awareness program to educate employees as well as the stakeholders about ESG architecture, ESG frameworks, principles, policies and practices. In the supplier engagement, specifically, very important subject, supply chain, including the ESG subject, engaging with the suppliers and business partners to promote ESG practices throughout the supply chain, and we develop supplier code of conduct. So you might have seen this usually in the businesses. They have their supplier code of conduct and they incorporate ESG criteria into the procurement processes. The next is stakeholder engagement. We engage with internal and external stakeholders to understand their ESG priorities, their concerns, their expectations. We incorporate stakeholder feedback into ESG strategy development and decision making processes. Next is continuous improvement by having a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Then external reporting and assurance. We communicate the organizational ESG commitments, performance, progress transparently and effectively to the external stakeholders. And we disclose ESG related subject, obtaining the external assurance on ESG disclosures to enhance the credibility and the trust. So by developing and implementing ESG management system, organizations can effectively integrate the environmental social governance related considerations into core business practices by driving long-term value creation and positive impact to the stakeholders. Thank you very much friends. We'll have the discussion for next topic.